volunteer at the Eloise Butler Wildflower and Bird Sanctuary in Minneapolis, Minnesota. It's the oldest wildflower sanctuary in the country. Started in 1907, and I love it here because it's like a little oasis in the middle of the city. You come here and you can't imagine that you're in the city. You're surrounded by beautiful flowers. I think we have like 500 different species of flowers and plants, the birds, and I love it because I get to educate people of all ages and the importance of pollinators in nature.
I'm a naturalist at Eloise Butler Wildflower Garden, and I really love teaching everyone about just the wonderful outdoor world. There's so much that you can see in just a little space. Our garden is 15 acres, but we take a lot of school groups that come and just learn about what it means to be a good steward for the land. So it's a really fun job to teach everyone about nature.
And why did you do it?
I do it because I just loved growing up in the woods as a kid and being able to explore and just making sure that other kids have that opportunity too.
You just move freely. Out. Yeah. Wow.
Chrysalis.
It's a chrysalis?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Oh, wow. And you can also do it with flowers for sure.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This place, now it's beautiful, but also in the spring must be like...
Oh yeah. It's even prettier.
But now you can see the dispersion mechanisms, no?
Atrás de mí tengo a los pájaros carpinteros. Ellos habitan aquí en este jardín, pero por aquí pasan las monarcas, nuestras queridas mariposas monarca, cuando están migrando hacia el sur, y en lugares como este parecen pequeños. Este tiene 13 hectáreas. Es sostenido por la comunidad con trabajo voluntario. Por supuesto, en algunos gobiernos les han asignado fondos y recursos, pero es en lugares como estos en donde está la esperanza de ir creando pequeños santuarios, pequeños corredores ecológicos que permiten que las especies puedan migrar, que tengan donde descansar y que las especies locales puedan prosperar.